This tutorial will show you how to connect a Supabase database to a Bind AI application. However, you can apply the same principles to other platforms as well. Supabase is a free database service that functions like a digital filing cabinet, allowing applications to store, organize, and retrieve data without the need for complex server setups. The first thing you want to do is to sign up for a Supabase account. Head over to Supabase's official website. Here you'll see a Start Your Project button at the top right corner. Click on it. This will prompt you to log in or sign up in case you don't have an account. After logging into Supabase, the first step is to create a new project. Simply click on New Project. Next, select the organization you want to use. Now it's time to fill in the project details. Start by giving your project a clear and memorable name. Then create a strong database password. For the region, choose the location that's closest to your users. This helps keep things running fast. Once everything is filled out, click Create New Project. Supabase will take a couple of minutes to set everything up, usually around 2 to 3 minutes. So just wait while the database gets ready in the background. Now it's time to create your database table. In your Supabase dashboard, click Table Editor. In the left sidebar, click Create a New Table. Fill in the table details. Enter your table name, e.g., Book Recommendation App. Description is an option, so let's leave it. Now you can either manually add the data, not recommended, or import it from your Sheets or Excel. As you can see, just download your existing data and upload it directly for seamless integration. For this video, we'll copy our data in CSV format, which thankfully Supabase registers well. Once you do that, click Save, and you'll have your database table ready in no time. Now it's time to gather your Supabase API keys. Hover over Project Settings and click on it. Here you'll see Data API and API Key options. Click on them. The Data API is your project link, while the API key code is the thing we'll be using. These keys are important as they act as the link between your Supabase database and the Bind AI project. Copy your keys directly from here whenever you need. Row-level security can prevent your app from saving data. For learning purposes, we'll disable it. Go to Authentication in the left sidebar. Click Policies. Find your table. You'll see a toggle switch for Enable RLS. Click to turn it off. Confirm when prompted. Prompt Bind AI IDE to add your Supabase API key to your project and make it compatible. It'll get the job done, and you'll see the results. For more information on this process, you'll find a link to the Bind AI Gitbook documentation page. And I hope this tutorial helped you.